Unwrapping the Mystery, the tale of store-bought cookies. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting topic, store-bought cookies. If you're curious about what this phrase means, especially in the context of learning English, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind these words and explore why understanding such phrases is a treat for your language learning journey. The phrase, store-bought cookies, refers to cookies that are not homemade but rather purchased from a store. This distinction is key, as it highlights the origin of the cookies. The term, store-bought, can be applied to any item bought from a store, indicating it is mass-produced and sold in a retail environment, as opposed to being crafted or prepared at home. In many cultures, there's a significant emphasis on homemade food, symbolizing care, effort, and authenticity. Thus, distinguishing between store-bought and homemade items can also hint at a subtle cultural conversation about value, quality, and personal touch. In the case of cookies, homemade ones might be associated with warmth, family traditions, and special occasions, whereas store-bought cookies might be seen as a convenient, yet less personal, alternative. Understanding phrases like store-bought cookies is crucial for English learners because it offers a glimpse into everyday language use and cultural nuances. It shows how language can reflect values, preferences, and social norms. Additionally, recognizing the distinction between store-bought and homemade enriches your vocabulary, making you more adept at expressing nuances and making precise distinctions in English. We hope this exploration of store-bought cookies has added a sweet note to your English learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new insights into the language and its cultural context. Keep curious and enjoy the delicious process of discovering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!